In this video I'm going to do a review of these Harbor Freight flashlights you can often get as a free item with purchase. First off, they are surprisingly bright, though not quite as bright as some of the nice name brand flashlights you can buy. Last about 45 minutes or so, assuming you replace the batteries they come with alkaline ones, because these are just the cheap, crappy carbon chloride ones. It's nice that they have little markings here to let you know which way you put the batteries in, as well as a directional arrow on the case for them to be able to put the batteries in. Something I really don't like about these, I'll overlay a photo over here, is that how they mount this whole lens thing in here is just pressed in. So if you were to drop this, and let's say you drop it directly down like this, you end up loosening and possibly just popping right out this lens assembly. Also don't like this little O-ring they put in here. I've only opened this a few times. It's already degraded. Personally, I don't really care that they really screwed up this little ring here, as I often replace this ring with like a paper clip.